In this question, we are given points P, Q, and they are trisecting the lines joining A 7, comma minus 2 and B 1, comma minus 5. Then we have to find the y coordinate of Q, which is the variable y. And so this is the diagram. The A, P, Q, B is the line segment as a whole. So I advise you to draw it in your notebook when you solve this, and write down the coordinates of each and every point. And you have to understand that when two points trisect the any line segment, you have to see that AP will be equal to PQ is equal to QB. So these all line segments are equal, which is written here also. So now it is pretty easy because you know that AP will be equal to PQ is equal to QB, so we can just equate them, this is what we have done. AP is equal to QB. So just put the distance formula here, and 5 minus 7 whole square plus in bracket minus 3 plus 2 whole square is equal to 1 minus 3 whole square plus in bracket minus 5 minus 5 whole square. So you have to solve this, make sure to solve it correctly, and in the end you will come to this, that under root 5 is under root whole under root y square plus 10y plus 29. So you have to square both sides, so that's come out. We see that on squaring both sides, 5 is equal to y square plus 10y is 29. So we just subtract 5 from 29, it comes out to be 24. So we have to factorize it in such a way, a into c, that we are comparing with ay square plus by plus c. So we multiply ac, that is 24. So we have to factorize 24 in such a way that its sum or subtraction should come out to be 10. That is the coefficient of y. So that is pretty easy. That is 6 and 4. So taking out the common part, that is y, from the first two digits, and taking out 4 from the last two expressions, so it comes out to be y plus 4 multiplied by y plus 6 is 0. So putting either side to 0, so we have y is minus 4 or y is equal to minus 6. So we have, from the obtained values of y, so minus 4 matches the option C, so C is the correct answer. So that's it.